Is Cardiology is a branch of science dealing with the study of
heart.
milk is pasteurized at a temperature of bacteria is
Unicellular.
stamen consists of
Filament and
milk is pasteurized at a temperature of dash control all activities of cell
mitochondria.
dash separating skin make vitamin D
Sunlight.
dash and dash additional organism
Cell wall chloroplast.
leafage of dichotome
Netoplasm.
milk is pasteurized at a temperature
Cystinogen.
cytoplasm is a bacterial
Jelly-like.
deficiency of dash carcinogen
Iron.
after fertilization ovary hardens and change into which part of the flower is sticky and eat pollen grains dash material present in cell
Jelly.
iron is needed to produce dash in blood
HB.
dash diseases are those diseases that transfer from one person to another
Ages.
which of the following is absent in animal cells
Cytoplasm.
nucleus of the pollen fused with the nucleus of the plant have which of the following organ is made up of cardiac cells plant cell have green or pigment card iron is needed to produce dash in blood
HB.
pollens are present in bacteria is
Cellular.
which of the following is not a microorganism cardiology is a branch of scientific study of dash separating
Mosquito.
3R stands for
Reduce recycle.
our body constitute dash percent of water
70%.
dash control all activities of cell biotic factors are dash parts of ecosystem biotic factors are dash part of ecosystem all cell regenerating dash bone protect of part there are dash bones in our body
206.
leaves take in your throat
Tomato.
which organ control our systems in the body
Brain.
which vein carry blood to all parts of the body
Arteries.
mango has dash seeds
One.
seeds grow into
Plant.
which of these is a habitat of camel and cactus
Desert.
which waste product does our skin get rid of
Sweat.
what animal live in
Forest.
brain send messages to all part of the body in the form of
Neuron.
plants are
Thinking.
dinosaur is a dash animal
Extinct.
which of during respiration we take in dash wrong dinosaur
फिर उसके बाद
seeds grow into
Fruit.
wrong the place point where two bones join is called
Joint.
which of these is not a healthy food
Butter.
नो
They-
अभी
there are dash bones in our body
206.
plants are
Living.
what is the habitat of camel and cactus
Deer.
seed grow into
Plant.
there are dash bones in our body
206.
which of the following is a sense organ
Brain.
leaves produce dash
Water.
roots take dash from the soil
Water.
which of these is not a healthy food
Butter.
plants are
Living.
dash bone protect brain
Skull.
living
House.
okay. There are dash bones in our body
206.
our body work like an
Machine.
plants are
Living.
what do we need to stay healthy
Again.
wrong
आलू आलू
Butter.
glasses of water daily? Mango has chia seeds. Excess keep us. What is the habitat of camel and cactus? Which organ control our organ systems in the body? Wrong. The point where two bones join is called leaves produce dash. Leaves produce dash. Roots take dash from the soil. Plants are dinosaur is a dash animal. Seeds. How many senses do we have?
We have 5 senses.
What keeps our body active?
Exercise.
What are living things?
Things that apply for our living things.
Name 5 senses.
We have 5 senses.
Name.
There are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch.
Good. Who give us medicine?
Doctor.
How does food help us?
It helps us to grow strong and healthy.
What is the function of hands?
To use our hands to hold things.
How many senses do we have?
We have 5 senses.
Why do living things need food?
Our living things need food to stay alive.
Why? Why?
Things that apply for our living things.
Who give us medicine? Can we move?
Yes, we can.
What do human body need to work? How does food help us? How does food help us?
Sit down.
What keeps our body active? Loud. How many senses do we have? What are living things? Can we move? What is the function of hands? How does food help us?
एक बचा.
What are living things? Wrong. Name 5 senses.
These are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch.
What do human body need to work?
Nothing.
Who gives us medicine?
Doctor.
What is the use of our mouth? What are living things? 5 senses.
There are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch.
What keeps our body active?
Exercise.
Can we move? Keeps our body active.
Exercise.
What do human body need to work?
Energy.
What are living things?
Things that apply for our living.
What is the function of hand?
We use our hand to hold things.
How does food help us?
It helps us to grow strong and healthy.
How many senses do we have?
We have 5 senses.
Name 5 senses.
There are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch.
Medicine.
Doctor.
Why do living things need food? What keeps our body active?
Energy.
What do human body need to work? How does food help us? Wrong. How many senses do we have? How many senses do we have? How many? Name 5 senses.
There are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch.
What is the use of our mouth?
We learn
No, वो बताइए.
to eat and
Can we move?
yes, we can.
What are living things? What keeps our body active? Wrong.
Exercise.
Living which you don't sleep.
अब्दुल हाफिज ने किया था.
Iron is needed to produce.
Afan.
Plants have a crucial pigment.
अब्दुल हाफिज.
The smallest bone.
अब्दुल हाफिज.
Stamen is composed of.
Equal है दोनों equal है.
And then filament.
दोनों equal है. अब्दुल क्वेश्चन में.
Three or stand.
Reuse, recycle.
Dash is a power.
Mitochondria.
Definition of tension.
अब्दुल हाफिज. अब्दुल हाफिज. ये आंसर अब्दुल हाफिज ने.
All cell regenerate.
बराबर है दोनों. फिर अगला क्वेश्चन.
Skin milk part.
Sunlight.
Leaf veins.
Afan.
अब्दुल हाफिज.
Leaf veins of dicot are. Milk is
फान.
60 degrees C.
which of the following?
अब्दुल हाफिज.
Which of the following is not a microorganism?
Butterfly.
वो अब्दुल रहमान. पहले अब्दुल रहमान.
Cytoplasm.
Jelly-like.
अफान.
Gas is made up of living organ.
फान.
System.
Bacteria is
अब्दुल हाफिज. अब्दुल हाफिज.
cardiology is a branch of science.
फान.
Heart.
Vascular.
अब्दुल हाफिज.
Transport.
Gas is a part.
अब्दुल हाफिज.
Mitochondria.
Which part of the cell is sticky?
फान.
Stigma.
After birth.
अब्दुल हाफिज. हो गया कंप्लीट.
God.
रुमैसा.
Infection.
Deficiency of dash cause anemia.
Iron.
रीबा.
Animal cells have dash and plant cells have dash.
Promessa.
Many small particles.
Bacteria is
दोनों इक्वल.
stamen consists of.
रुमैसा.
Is it ready?
रुमैसा.
Promessa.
Cytoplasm is a material present in cell. The smallest bone in the body. Dash are those that can spread from one person to another.
इक्वल.
Xena contact dash and from contact dash. Which of the following is made up of cardiac cells?
रुमैसा.
Plant have a cranial pigment called dash.
रुमैसा.
Plants that make their own food are called.
रुमैसा.
Wrong. Rickets are disease of bone is caused by.
रीबा. रीबा.
Similar cells group together to perform a
Tissue.
रुमैसा.
dash stored food, water and waste.
रीबा.
Nucleus of the column fused with the nucleus of the egg to form.
रुमैसा.
Respiratory system consists of except.
रुमैसा.
Pollen are present in.
रीबा.
Living that eat only green plants are called.
रुमैसा.
Stamen is composed of anther and filament is the dash part of it.
रुमैसा.
Dash is a powerhouse of cell. Our body constitutes 10% of water.
रुमैसा.
Stamen consists of
आयशा.
milk is passed to as
ज़ैनब. ज़ैनब. ज़ैनब.
dash is made up of milk.
आयशा
Sister.
1 मिनट
Something with the
आयशा
Heart.
disease caused by the injury of
जैनब
Contagious. Infection.
our body constituted.
आयशा
70%.
Our cell is ready.
Bone marrow.
Cytoplasm is ready.
जैनब
Genital.
Which part of the flower is sticky?
आयशा
Stigma.
मैंने भी बोला नहीं था उसने.
गाली बोलते चलो फिर वो उसको देख छोटी को बताएं
Wrong.
Stigma.
Leaf age of dicot are
वो छोटी को नहीं दोबारा नहीं पूछा
Network veins.
vascular bundle is the system of plant.
आयशा
Transport.
आयशा नहीं ये कंसीडर नहीं आया था वो
Dash control all activities of cell.
सेंटर वाला बच्चा
3R stand for
आनिया
हानिया
dash undertaking.
आनिया
Skin make which vitamin in sunlight?
आनिया
Skin make which vitamin in sunlight? After fertilization of recordants.
नो पहले आप बता दो जैनब
Abiotic factors are dash part of ecosystem.
आनिया
Living.
Wrong. Abiotic.
जैनब
Non-living.
Right.
लेकिन कंसीडर नहीं होगा पहले रॉन्ग दिया
Which of these is not a 5 category?
जैनब
Insects.
Plants that make their own medicinal card.
जैनब
Producer.
Dash diseases are thought diseases that can spread from.
Contagious.
Rickets is a disease of bone.
इक्वल है
Chemicals.
इक्वल है
Pollens are present in.
आयशा
Which of the following is absent in animal cells?
आयशा आंसर दे दे ये भी बैंक में जाती जा आंसर दिया कोई नहीं चले आनिया अभी तक जो रिजल्ट है उसमें दो बच्चे कौन से हैं
हाँ दिया. Smallest one in the body.
वो वो
And largest one in the body.
इक्वल
Plant has three critical parts.
Cardboard.
Wrong.
आप दो आंसर
Which of the following organ is made up?
आंसर होता है ये है बच्ची हाँ चले आयशा हाँ हाँ
Death or food waste and smallest one in the body.
Let's start.
Iron is needed to.
इक्वल
Rickets is a disease of bone.
जैनब
Rickets.
Vitamin D deficiency.
Pollens are present in.
आनिया
All cell regenerating.
आनिया
Our body constitutes with.
जैनब
Mucus.
Wrong.
आप बताओ
Deficiency of dash cause.
जैनब
Iron.
Animal cells have dash and plant cells have dash.
आनिया
Animals have a small and plants have a similar.
3R stand for.
इक्वल
Skin make which vitamin?
आनिया
Sunlight.
Which vitamin?
Vitamin D.
Body factors are dash part of it.
आनिया
Living.
All cell regenerating.
आनिया
Bone marrow.
Leaf veins of dicot are.
जैनब
Network veins.
Bacteria is.
आनिया
Cellular.
After fertilization of carbon change into.
आनिया
Fruit.
आनिया ये आनिया हो गया
ये हाँ ये.
चलो
Leaves produce dash for us.
Food.
Your body product like an. Which of the following
Equal.
is a habitat of camel and
Ahmed.
cactus?
Desert.
The place where plant and animal live is called.
सटलैंड
सकलैन
Which base plus our skin get rid
सकलैन
domestic animal living.
मॉइस
नहीं मोइज नहीं वो बच्चा
एह,
मोइज हरिया बेटा
Seeds grow into
It's a gland.
which vein carry blood to all parts in the body.
It's a gland.
Sun give us
Equal.
leave exchange gas through
Ahmed.
Dinosaurs is a dash animal.
Equal.
During respiration we take in dash and give off dash.
Gland.
मोइज बेटा फा करे
आपने
ना
वैसे पहले बुझा दिया था क्वेश्चन को शुरू नहीं हो दोबारा करिए क्वेश्चन ये क्वेश्चन
During respiration we take in dash and give off dash. Which gas?
अहमद
Take in O2 gas, take out CO2 gas.
Leaves taking air through
सकलैन
wrong.
आप बताइए अहमद
Food.
Wrong.
आप बताइए अहमद
रिपीट नहीं करना
There are dash points in our body.
वो
मोइज
मोइज
What does it?
The point where two bonds meet start.
सकलैन
Dash one protect brain.
वो लास्ट
Brain cell passes through all parts of the form of
इक्वल
which. What does blood travel through the body?
इक्वल दोबारा बोलो
What do we need to stay healthy?
अहमद
All of these.
Which of these is a sense organ?
इक्वल
Who should drink dash glass of water?
अहमद
11 plus.
Roots take dash from the soil.
Water.
अहमद
Which of these is not a health?
अहमद
Burger.
Your body work like it.
सकलैन हो गए क्वेश्चन
Ahmed Bilal.
चलो हरिया बच्चे शाबाश
250
इसके
ऊपर
ऊपर आवाज रखो ना बुझाना है इसको पहले फिर आंसर देना है जो पहले बुझाएगा वो आंसर देगा आप करके आए हो पहले नोट यस ठीक है नेक्स्ट
Mango is acids. Our body work like it.
इक्वल
Leaves produce
आइंस्टाइन
Food.
dash bond protect brain.
What is it?
Wrong. Wrong.
आप दे आंसर
नो
Dash bond protect brain.
Sky.
There are dash bonds in our body. Plants are
Liquid.
brain send message to all parts of the body in the form of
Present please.
wrong.
आप बताओ
Neuron.
Which of these is a sense organ?
No.
अहमद हैंड
The
ऊपर
part where two
देखो
bonds join is called.
One.
Leaves produce dash for us. Leaves produce dash for us.
Four.
The place where plant and animal live is called
Present.
wrong. Domestic animals live in
What else?
sun give us
Heat and
चलो मैच में जाना है पहले
why do living things need food? Name five senses.
वो बच्चा
These are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch.
What keep our body active?
Exercise.
Who give us medicine?
अब्दुल्ला
What is the function of hand?
अब्दुल्ला
We use our hand to wash.
What are living things?
अली
What are living? Things that are alive are living.
Can we move?
Can we move?
What do our body need to work?
What?
What do our body need?
अब्दुल्ला बेटा बोल मेरे पास सुन
Seven movies.
चलो ठीक है क्या बात है
What keep our body active?
Exercise.
अब्दुल्ला
Name five senses.
अब्दुल्ला
Sight, hearing, smell, taste.
तो अब्दुल्ला बताएगा
There are certain
वो कैसे हुए दोनों अब्दुल्ला देखिए
Who give us medicine?
Doctor.
अब्दुल्ला
What are living things?
Living things to stay alive.
What is the use of our mouth?
We use our mouth to eat anything.
अब्दुल्ला
How many senses do we
We
have?
have five
अब्दुल्ला
senses.
Why do living things need food?
All living things, they are like.
How does food help us? Can we move? What do human body need to work? What is the use of our mouth? Who give us medicine? Five degrees of cell.
ये फान फान है इसका नाम
Nucleus.
जी
Liver cell from
अब्दुल राफिक
कैसे प्रोटीन
Mosquito.
अब्दुल राफे दूसरा हैंड नीचे
बैक्टीरिया
Unicellular.
which part of the plant
इक्वल
cytoplasm
इक्वल
this is made of organs
इक्वल
stem cell
वो
after body life
इक्वल
catalysis
हाँ
वो
which of these बताओ बताओ चलो मैंने तो क्वेश्चन ही पूरा नहीं बोला था
अभी
which of this is not a kingdom
बैंक कितने क्वेश्चन
Insect.
which part of the flower is sticky and it grains
आप ऐसा करें
what is the dashing parts of skin make dash
Sunlight.
dash separating
Mosquito.
trigger stand for dash for all activities of the cell
Nucleus.
our body constitutes 10% of the water deficiency of dash causes anemia dash is the purpose of the cell bacteria has leaf veins of dicotyl disease caused by the enemy of bacteria virus card animal cell have dash and plant cell have dash vacuums
स्टॉप
organs
Septum.
cytoplasm bacteria dash present in the cell
Jelly-like.
which of these is not a microorganism
Butterfly.
milk is faster than the temperature of
60 degree.
what have a leaf veins diet
Network-like.
after fertilization only changes soil and changes into
Fruit.
which the stem consists of
Anther-anther.
which part of the plant is sticky
Stigma.
card is the branch of study with the study of
Heart.
bacteria is
Unicellular.
which of these is not a vacuum system
Stomach.
vascular bundle is the system of the plant
Transport.
स्टॉप कितने हुए
dash of body and waste
Vacuum.
similar cell group together to form a cell which of these is made up of cardiac cells
Heart.
the smallest bone of the body
Ear cell.
living cat eat only green plant
Herbivore.
plants that make their own food
Producer.
disease that are spread from one person to another iron is needed to produce dash in the blood
B.
Rickets that is the bond cause with the deficiency of
Deficiency of vitamin D, calcium.
बस
stable is composed of 10 में से 9
But
Restless system consists of phallic stem
stomach.
nucleus of the pollen is with the nucleus of the egg cell to give
Zygote.
which of these is present absent in animal cells
Cell wall chloroplast.
pollen are present in
Anther.
stamen is composed of plant anther and filament is the rest part of the plant
Nail.
Rickets cell is the bond cause with the deficiency of
Vitamin D,
iron is
calcium.
needed to produce dash in the body
H.
dash is that is spread from one person to another
Contagious.
plant make their own food are called
Producer.
plant that eat
Stop,
only
stop, stop.
green
Bone marrow.
body spectre that is part of the ecosystem
Biotic factor. Living.
skin make dash is
Cell
right
life.
dash separating
Mosquito.
trigger stands for
Reuse.
dash for all activities of the cell
Nucleus.
our body constitutes 10% of the water
70%.
dash is the dash cause anemia
Iron.
dash is the power of the cell
Mitochondria.
this is caused by the endocrine bacteria virus card
Infection.
vascular is the dash from the plant
Transport.
leaf veins of dicotyl
बस ये आंसर दे दो
Network-like.
कितना हुआ
but the antibacterial virus is called
Infection.
bacteria are
Unicellular.
which of these is not a five kingdom
Insects.
leaf veins of dicotyl
Network in.
vascular bundle is the dash system of the plant animal cell have dash and plant cell have dash vacuums
One larger
dash is the powerhouse of the cell dash is the powerhouse of cell
Mitochondria.
deficiency of dash cause anemia
Iron.
our body constitutes 10% of water
70%.
dash separating plant cell have a green pigment called dash of water and waste similar cells have to group together to perform a similar job which of these is organ system made up of the cardiac cells
Heart.
smallest bone in the body living organs have only green plant are
Living thing.
green plant are
Herbivores.
plant make their own food are called dash is that is spread from one person to another
Contagious.
iron is needed to produce dash in the blood
Vitamin
Precursor is a bond caused by absence of stem is composed of method and filaments are part of the plant. Pollens are present. Xanthine contain tension from catechins. Respiratory system can include RX stem.
Stomach.
Milk is pasteurized at a temperature of
60.
nucleus of the pollen fused with the nucleus of the egg to
Zygote.
which of this is absent in animal cell.
Seven kilometers.
Pollens are present in
Anthem.
stem is composed of method and filaments are part of the plant. Precursor is a bond caused by deficiency of
Vitamin D, calcium.
cell is unity.
Bone marrow.
Biodefect is the best component of the ecosystem. Skin made dash in sunlight.
Vitamin D.
Dash and protein.
और उसमें स्पेशली जो है वो जैसे है दुरेमान है, उसके बाद वो बच्चा तारीख है, क्या नाम आपका, ये तारीख अब्दुल्ला तारीख, ये बच्चा है अफान पोजीशन के बगैर जो बच्चे हैं, ठीक है, तो जिन्होंने एफर्ट पुट की है तो उन सब के लिए हमने कार्रवाई की। जीत को और हार को ध्यान में नहीं देते। आज हारे हो, हार नहीं कह सकते कि हम कंपटीशन में थोड़ा पीछे रह गए, ठीक है। तो क्वेश्चन अगर हम आपको भैया को क्लासेस सुने तो सबको आते हैं, तो इंशाल्लाह आप कोशिश करें अपने आप में क्लियरनेस लेके आए, आप इधर एक्टिव भी हो, मेंटली एक्टिव हो, जिस्मानी एक्टिव हो, एक्सरसाइज करें, ठीक है। जैनब की ट्यूशन आई कि नहीं इस दफ़ा नहीं है, जैनब फिर भी करें। ऐसा ये है पोजीशन, ऐसा के लिए भी मेहनत करो तो शाबाश, वेरी गुड।